my today's video. So as you guys can already see from the title, today's video is going to be about candid poses. So I have 5 tips and poses to help you guys. So hopefully you will find this helpful. And if you guys want to check out more pose ideas, I have a lot of them. Make sure you check those out after completing this video. So now let's just start with the video. So tip number 1 that I have for you guys is do not look at the camera directly. So if you are trying to take a candid photo, it should not look like you already planned for it. So the best thing is to not look at the camera. So there are many no face ideas if you are a shy person, which I have on my channel. It's right here. Looking at the camera makes it very obvious that you are just looking at the camera and just posing for it. So make sure that you are not looking at the camera, so that it makes it look a little bit more candid. Oh my god, how many times did I say look at the camera and don't look at the camera? You can still make your photos candid by looking at the camera, and with that comes the next tip, that is smiling. So smiling is just like, a simple thing which adds such a candid vibe to the photos. So I understand you want to make that sexy face, that serious face for the Instagram, but if you just smile, it looks so beautiful, it looks so candid. So even if you are looking at the camera and you are smiling with a natural smile, with the natural smile that comes from within you, then it makes your photo look so much more candid. You can tell the person in front of you to make you laugh or crack jokes, and just capture those moments in between, and I think those photos turn out to be really, really pretty. The tip that I have for you guys is creating some sort of movement. So I have started editing it in PicsArt, so to give some movement to my photos. I want to make a video on how to edit photos and cool edit, something like that. So make sure that you guys let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would be interested in it. So when a photo is captured during some movement, it looks so candid and so natural, and it looks like you just captured it at the moment. So what you can do for this is that you can take burst photos, like you can just click on the camera option and it clicks a number of photos for you guys, and then you can choose the best one. And if you know the editing hack like me, then you do not even need to do any kind of movement. You can just take the help of this app and this idea and then create movements in your still photos. Use some kind of props like your sunglasses or bags or even your hair. You can pose with your hair just to create some kind of movements with your hands, with your accessories, and that looks really candid, trust me. So the next idea that I have for you guys is eating something. So this is commonly you can do in cafeterias or in birthdays or in restaurants. Now I am going to come up with a series where I am going to show you guys how to take photos outside, how to take photos in cafeteria, on rooftop, at home. I already have many of these ideas planned, and I have some of these videos on my channel. But if you have any particular suggestions like on a rooftop or in a library, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Talking about that, so a few common poses that you can do is that try to eat a food, try to grab something, try to drink from your coffee. Do not just hold it, but try to drink it. It creates, like, again, it's adding movement, so it's going to look candid. Try to eat something and smile, make it very natural. Do not try to pose for the camera. That's the best thing which you can do to get candid shots. So the same thing applies when you are taking pictures in restaurants. And the main tip which I would like to give you guys is that whenever you are trying to take a candid photo, it must always look like you are doing something. So try to grab something, try to eat something, smile, look at something, smile away, move. These are all going to altogether help you in making your picture look more candid. Guys, finally, the final tip which I have for you guys is do not try too hard. Like as I said, if you are going to look at the camera, if you are trying to have those fixed poses, that 10 to 12 poses which you guys saw, and you want to have that, like, there's no fault in trying out poses, but there are candid poses which are different from the editorial poses. Just go free, feel natural, take some fun photos, smile a lot. And I'm going to make a video, as I said, from my series, that it's going to be about how to take pictures outside, because I think a lot of us get very awkward when people are looking at us. So I'm going to share great hacks with you guys on how to take great pictures outside. So just have fun, be in the moment, capture the things, move around, smile, and incorporate any of these tips or incorporate all of these tips together if you can, and I'm sure you will get many great candid shots. Guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you found this helpful, you can help me in turn by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and commenting down below if you are excited for the series and what you would like to see in that series particularly. So I post 2 videos every week, one on Monday, one on Thursday. So I really hope to see you guys next time. Till then, you guys can follow me on my Instagram for more updates, and just to follow me in general. I really hope to see you guys there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.